Good morning, guys. It's actually what's up, you guys? What's going on? So much good venturing, fishing, doing things. Well, right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I get to work, when I'm done my route. Guys, right now, you guys, I'm going back to work. It was just supposed to be it was a snow day earlier this morning. But we have to go back because some reason we have to go back to work, so I'm just heading there right now. I'm just heading back to work. We had to get a new fridge today because our fridge just quit working, so instead of fixing up, it's just kind of annoying that the fridge stopped working. So hopefully we can get a new fridge soon. Like, we got a new fridge. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but we got a new fridge. It was a used fridge, but it's okay, you guys. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but what can you do? So I will talk to you guys when we are done our route. Lasagna and salad and blueberry crumble. Guys, we are labeling the jaws, so that is what's going on, you guys. It's gonna be fun and exciting. That's one day, you guys.
Let's go.
This is the first attempt, you guys.
So I'm gonna tell you what I did wrong here. I didn't cut. Where's my little pokey stick? This pokey stick here, you see? I needed to go all the way around each letter, and I didn't. I thought I just had to go through here, but I'm thinking that's what I had to do, is I had to trace each letter with my stick. My little hook. Don't mess with me, guys. Some of my letters stuck here. That doesn't mean anything. I could probably fix it. I just don't want to.
No, it's a trial, and we're gonna get this.
Yeah.
There you guys go. There's the final touch.
Guys, it took like 17 freaking million attempts.
Lots of times.
It's okay.
But it looks amazing.
It looks so cute. Except the G's way over here, but we're not going to talk about that.
If you guys enjoy this episode, guys do give a big thumbs up. Good night.